guys, and welcome to the fourth video in my series about how to know when to buy organizing products and what kinds to buy or not to buy. Click the I in the corner if you missed the intro. You want to wait until the sixth step of organizing before you purchase organizing supplies. In this video, I am featuring drawer organizers, and you will see that they're not just for drawers. The purpose of a drawer organizer or divider is to corral smaller items within a drawer in order to allow a single drawer to hold multiple categories of items. A common mistake when deciding to use drawer dividers is thinking that you must play Tetris and have a drawer divider for every section of your drawer. Drawer dividers just need to be used for the smaller items you need to corral. Then, you can use the open spaces for larger items. I like to use non-slip drawer liners to keep everything in place. In this church office drawer, I actually just rolled up regular old Scotch tape and stuck it to the bottom of the drawer organizers. Drawer dividers have unlimited uses. The key to maximizing the best use of them is to either label the bottom or the side of each section. Labeled drawer dividers are ideal for shared spaces so that everyone knows where to put back the stapler. They can be the perfect size for standard medicine cabinets. I have been using this bin in our medicine cabinet for over a decade. In my first apartment, we had the tiniest sink, so I put our toothbrushes and toothpaste in here and inside of the medicine cabinet. Drawer organizers are also great for corralling small items within cabinets when you don't have enough drawer space. They are easy to grab in and out of cabinets. You never have to use an organizing product for what it's labeled for. These are actually kitchen drawer organizers from IKEA, which I use in this office. These are fridge bins from the Dollar Tree that can be used as drawer dividers. In this case, they are used in the kitchen cabinet. Flatware storage trays can be used to organize office supplies and makeup or any other items you desire. Ice cube trays can be great for organizing extra tiny things like earrings or small single eyeshadows. You can stack drawer organizers on top of each other or even hang the top edge of a drawer divider on the lip of a drawer to help maximize the storage of small items in deep drawers. You can use them to maximize storage in a small desk by using them in the negative space behind the keyboard tray. These containers are designed to be used on surfaces like desktops and vanities, but they are small enough to fit into drawers that they become perfect for containing individual items within your drawers. First, look at your spaces and decide what is the purpose of each space. For example, if you are piling pens and pencils and office supplies in the kitchen because that is where you use them, you can decide if a drawer or cabinet in the kitchen would be the best place to store your office supplies. Then you will purge the items you aren't using and sort your items by category. First, you should put your items away without drawer dividers. This dresser drawer contains everything perfectly without drawer dividers. I have a folding technique, click the I in the corner, which helps keep camis from unraveling when the drawer is opened and closed. Then, if you find your items will get jumbled as the drawer is opened and closed, or your loved ones will not put items away without a labeled drawer divider, measure your space and decide how many and what size organizers you will need. First, as always, don't purchase more bins than you need. Again, you will pare down your items to what you need before you purchase any organizing products. For some affordable options, the Dollar Tree is the best. I also like these products from IKEA, Walmart, 99-cent only store, and Target. As usual, in the description box below, I will link to my blog, which will have links to all kinds of affordable products and options that can work for your individual spaces. Don't forget to grab your free organizing resources below so that you can know if the use of drawer organizers will be good solutions for your spaces. I have a lot more organizing products coming up, so be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you can know the moment my next video is up and never miss another organizing video. Happy organizing!